go.
Last week was very challenging. As you know, if you saw my last video, I haven't been on camera since last Wednesday, although I did capture footage of all these things that went on, and this is what you're going to see right now. Topsoil being delivered, forest mulching, the addition of a new four-wheeler, and so much more, so stay tuned. I had 10 loads of topsoil, really good topsoil, delivered by a great source, Larry. And we're waiting for Larry to be able to return with a skid steer and smooth it out into the first level of terrace. We are excited about the terrace garden, and I decided that a rock wall for the terrace garden could take months, and I didn't want to wait months because I've got at least 59 tomato plants. Actually, there's going to be a lot more because I have another round coming up inside. The determination was the skin, the soil below the blueberries on the hillside wasn't as deep because of all the years of it washing down. I found a great source for delivering topsoil and gravel. That has yet to happen because I said this is first. But it was quite challenging because the very first load of topsoil, he got stuck in my yard, just like the wood chip guy back in January. that was a huge surprise that all of this area over here was just a jumble of junky trees, and the good trees didn't have any light. They're all choked off by poison ivy and Virginia creeper, which seems to go hand in hand. I am extremely allergic to poison ivy, as you know, so it's been challenging trying to communicate with someone in a very loud machine from a distance. Justin, I have a four-wheeler.
You have a four-wheeler.
Justin found me a four-wheeler on Facebook Marketplace.
Great shape.
And it's in great shape. It looks like a motorcycle with four wheels. Is that what a four-wheeler is?
No, not even close.
It's not.
No.
It's got a trailer hitch. Is that the exhaust thing that comes out the back?
Yeah. That's the exhaust.
And it uses regular gasoline?
Yep.
Okay, good. Has it got gas in it?
It does. Not much, but it does.
Did you take it for a little test drive?
I did.
And?
It's good.
You liked it?
Yeah.
Good. Well, we're happy then.
Yeah.
So you're going to unload it now?
In a minute, yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I'm working on. That's what I'm working on. That thing is so clean.
That'll make one thing here that's clean.
I mean, it needs a wash, but... click up. That's neutral.
And then?
Click it one more time up. You'll feel it. That's first. You can go ahead and go 3 if you want. There you go. Remember, you gotta go all the way down. Remember, you always got to go back to neutral.
Till it won't go.
Yep.
And then?
If you want to go in reverse.
If I want to go in reverse, I have to... I'm going to go backwards.
If you don't need to use reverse, just roll backwards.
Well, that's right. This is the clutch. I don't need to be doing that, right?
No. That's all you're going to get.
It's not going to go. So I pull this in,
Yep.
push this down, pull this in, and then all the way.
Yeah, you're good.
No?
Up.
Up. With the clutch in,
Yeah.
third gear.
Sure.
Okay, it's all yours. I gotta say that four-wheeler was a lot of fun, and I needed about those 5 minutes of uplifting fun after last week. Thanks so much for watching this channel, liking the videos, and especially sharing them. And if you're a late bloomer like me, starting over, I hope you'll subscribe. I know you'll find something to enjoy right here on my new Tennessee homestead. Not to mention my 700 videos that I made in Southern California. From small space gardening to container gardening to in-ground gardening, water capture, and so much more. Please check out my channel, and I hope you subscribe. See you next time. This week has been, what is today? My goodness. Today is Monday. Wow. Okay.
If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.